Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Easyship account. If you are protective for your account and you'd like to update your password now and then so that you can strengthen your account's security, then we've got you covered. The first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in easyship.com. Make sure that you sign into your Easyship account if you are not already. Once you're inside the main homepage for Easyship, go to the left-hand side of your screen and scroll down, expand the account option, and then select the Profile tab. Once you get to the profile, you will come across this Login Details option. Click on Change Password and then enter your old password or the current password you are using to log into this particular account. Once you do that, go to the next field and type in a new password you are trying to change to, and then click on Confirm. Soon after you click Confirm, you will be able to change your password on Easyship account. Now every time you log into your account, you now need to enter the newly updated password. That's how you can easily change password on Easyship. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.